Ever worried your affordable SUV could become a money pit? Relax. These 10 SUVs are not only cheap, they're proven never to break down, according to Consumer Reports. The final one? It's so reliable, it might outlive your mechanic. Skip this, and you might drive straight into a costly mistake you'll regret for years. Starting with number 10, the Hyundai Santa Fe. If you think reliable SUVs always come with luxury price tags, the Hyundai Santa Fe is ready to prove you wrong. With a starting price around $34,300, this mid-size SUV delivers incredible dependability without sacrificing comfort. According to Consumer Reports, the Santa Fe consistently earns impressive reliability ratings, making unexpected repairs practically non-existent. Under the hood, you'll find a sturdy 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 191 horsepower, striking a satisfying balance between responsive acceleration and fuel efficiency, achieving up to 25 miles per gallon city and 28 on the highway. But what sets the Santa Fe apart isn't just its solid engine, it's the exceptional build quality and attention to detail. Owners regularly praise the quiet, spacious cabin packed with user-friendly tech and plush seating that rivals SUVs costing thousands more. With over 72 cubic feet of cargo space, the Santa Fe effortlessly handles family road trips or daily errands without breaking a sweat. Maintenance is another strong point. Hyundai's industry-leading warranty coverage significantly reduces long-term ownership costs, providing peace of mind even as the miles rack up. Consumer Reports highlights the Santa Fe's outstanding record for low mechanical issues and minimal maintenance expenses, saving owners from costly trips to the mechanic. If you're seeking peace of mind and a premium feel without emptying your wallet, the Hyundai Santa Fe checks all the boxes. But don't get too comfortable. The next SUV offers such incredible reliability, it'll redefine what you expect from a budget-friendly vehicle. Number 9, Kia Telluride. Are you trying to find a reliable SUV that feels high-end without a luxury price tag? If yes, then the Kia Telluride is your perfect match. Starting at around $36,400, this mid-size SUV delivers outstanding dependability, earning top marks from Consumer Reports for reliability and owner satisfaction. Under the hood, a robust 3.8-liter V6 engine cranks out 290 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising while maintaining a solid 20 miles per gallon city and 26 on the highway. But the Telluride isn't just about performance, it's built to last. Owners routinely report surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues, thanks to Kia's meticulous engineering and commitment to quality. Consumer Reports highlights its strong track record in avoiding common SUV headaches like transmission failures and electrical issues, making it one of the most stress-free vehicles in its class. Inside, the Telluride punches far above its weight, offering a spacious, well-designed interior with premium materials, advanced tech, and a generous 87 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded. Factor in Kia's class-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and you've got an SUV built to go the distance without draining your bank account. If you want a stylish, reliable SUV that holds its value, the Kia Telluride is hard to beat. Some SUVs handle daily drives well, but what if you need one that's built for adventure? This next pick thrives where others struggle. Number 8, Subaru Outback. Some SUVs are built for city streets, but the Subaru Outback thrives anywhere. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or taking on rugged terrain, this SUV refuses to quit. With a starting price of around $29,000, the Outback is one of the most affordable all-wheel drive SUVs on the market, and according to Consumer Reports, it's also one of the most reliable. Equipped with a 2.5-liter boxer engine producing 182 horsepower, it delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel economy, achieving up to 26 miles per gallon city and 33 on the highway. The Outback's longevity is legendary, with many owners easily surpassing 250,000 miles with minimal maintenance. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive isn't just great for handling, it also contributes to the Outback's durability, giving it better wear and tear resistance over time. Consumer Reports praises its drivetrain for having fewer breakdowns compared to competitors, making it one of the toughest SUVs you can buy. Inside, the Outback is both practical and comfortable, offering a spacious cabin, intuitive tech, and nearly 76 cubic feet of cargo space. High safety ratings and standard driver assist features make it a smart choice for families, adventurers, and anyone who values peace of mind. If you need an SUV that can handle anything and keep running for decades, the Subaru Outback won't let you down. Before we move on, if you love reliable SUVs, hit that subscribe button, because missing out on these picks could cost you. Number 7. Chevrolet Equinox. Starting at around $28,000, the Chevrolet Equinox proves you don't have to sacrifice reliability to get an affordable SUV. According to Consumer Reports, this compact SUV consistently scores high in dependability, making it a standout choice if unexpected breakdowns aren't your idea of fun. Under the hood, the standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 175 horsepower, providing smooth daily driving while sipping gas, earning an impressive 28 miles per gallon city and 39 miles per gallon highway. Prefer more punch? The available 2.0-liter turbo adds extra muscle without significantly denting fuel economy. Owners praise the Equinox for its comfortable, roomy interior, intuitive infotainment system, and straightforward controls, meaning you'll spend more time enjoying the drive rather than fumbling with confusing tech. Cargo space is generous too, offering around 64 cubic feet with rear seats folded, perfect for weekend adventures or everyday errands. Maintenance costs also stay pleasantly low, thanks to readily available parts and affordable servicing, saving you from those dreaded mechanic bills. In fact, Consumer Reports highlights that the Equinox's reliability consistently reduces long-term ownership expenses, delivering peace of mind mile after mile. If you're after a practical SUV that won't empty your wallet with constant repairs, the Chevrolet Equinox is a reliable, budget-friendly choice worth serious consideration. Finding a reliable SUV is one thing, finding one that's fun to drive? That's rare, but this next one proves you don't have to settle. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. If you thought reliability meant boring, think again, because the Mazda CX-5 proves you can have both dependability and style without breaking the bank. With a starting price just under $30,000, this compact SUV consistently earns top marks from Consumer Reports for exceptional reliability and overall quality. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, balancing spirited performance with excellent fuel economy at 26 miles per gallon city and 31 on the highway. But it's not just the engine that keeps drivers satisfied. Mazda's reputation for durability means fewer unexpected trips to the repair shop. Owners regularly report surpassing 150,000 miles without major mechanical issues, making it an ideal choice if you hate surprise expenses. In fact, Consumer Reports consistently highlights the CX-5's transmission, brakes, and electronics as some of the most dependable in its class. Inside, the CX-5 punches far above its price tag, with premium materials and an upscale feel. Comfortable seats, intuitive infotainment, and sleek design elements create a luxury vibe that rivals more expensive competitors. Add Mazda's top-rated safety features, and it's easy to see why families and commuters trust the CX-5 year after year. Unless you prefer throwing money away on repairs, the Mazda CX-5 is a budget-friendly SUV that won't let you down. But if this sounds impressive, just wait. The next SUV takes reliability to an entirely new level. Number 5. Kia Sportage. If you're searching for affordability without compromising reliability, the Kia Sportage deserves your attention. Starting at just $27,000, this compact SUV isn't just budget-friendly, it's built to last. According to Consumer Reports, the Sportage consistently ranks above average in reliability, with many owners easily surpassing 200,000 miles without major mechanical headaches. Under the hood, you'll find a dependable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and respectable fuel economy at 25 miles per gallon city and 32 on the highway. Beyond its dependable powertrain, owners frequently praise the Sportage's practical and surprisingly upscale interior. With supportive seats, intuitive tech, and high-quality materials, this Kia feels far pricier than its sticker suggests. Its compact size makes city driving effortless, yet it still manages to provide 74 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, perfect for daily errands or weekend road trips. Maintenance costs remain refreshingly low, thanks to Kia's long warranty periods and affordable servicing, further reducing your total cost of ownership. In fact, Consumer Reports highlights the Sportage's low likelihood of major issues as one of its strongest points, saving owners thousands in potential repairs. If you'd rather keep money in your pocket than hand it to your mechanic, the Kia Sportage is an affordable SUV you'll never regret. A great SUV isn't just about avoiding breakdowns, it's about making every mile feel effortless. And this next one does exactly that. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson. Starting around $28,000, the Hyundai Tucson isn't just another affordable SUV, it's a value-packed choice that delivers surprising reliability for the money. Consumer Reports consistently praises the Tucson for its impressive dependability, highlighting fewer mechanical issues compared to many pricier rivals. Equipped with a capable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, it strikes a near-perfect balance between performance and efficiency, achieving a solid 25 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon highway. But reliability isn't just about what's under the hood. Owners frequently mention how well-built and trouble-free the Tucson's interior remains, even after years of use. Unlike typical budget vehicles, the Tucson offers premium features such as intuitive touchscreen controls, supportive seating, and advanced safety systems that genuinely impress buyers. Hyundai's generous warranty of 10 years or 100,000 miles for the powertrain dramatically cuts long-term ownership costs, allowing you to drive with confidence, knowing expensive repairs are unlikely. Even better, the Tucson boasts an excellent safety record, consistently receiving high crash test scores, further underscoring its value. Bottom line, if you want a reliable SUV that delivers luxury-level comfort at a wallet-friendly price, the Hyundai Tucson is one SUV you'll be glad you bought. But believe it or not, the next SUV on this list is even more reliable and so durable, it might just outlast everything else in your driveway. Number 3. Honda CR-V. If you're looking for the gold standard in affordable reliability, the Honda CR-V is an SUV you simply can't ignore. With a starting price of just under $30,000, it delivers unmatched dependability that has kept it at the top of Consumer Reports rankings for decades. Powered by a rock-solid 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 190 horsepower, the CR-V effortlessly blends performance with efficiency, delivering an impressive 28 miles per gallon city and 34 on the highway. But the real magic of the CR-V lies in its legendary durability. Owners routinely report reaching well beyond 250,000 miles with just routine maintenance, avoiding costly mechanic visits that plague many of its competitors. Consumer Reports specifically highlights its near-flawless reliability record, noting exceptionally low rates of mechanical and electronic issues. Inside, the CR-V continues to impress with outstanding practicality and comfort. Its spacious, thoughtfully designed interior includes supportive seats, easy-to-use tech, and over 76 cubic feet of cargo space, which is perfect for both family adventures and everyday errands. Safety features consistently earn high marks, further reducing ownership stress. Unless you enjoy spending weekends at the repair shop, choosing the Honda CR-V is one of the smartest decisions you can make. But if you think the CR-V's reputation is unbeatable, wait until you see the next SUV. It sets the bar so high, even mechanics recommend it. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. Priced at just around $29,000, the Toyota RAV4 isn't only affordable, it's practically a synonym for reliability. Consumer Reports consistently gives the RAV4 top scores in dependability, highlighting its near-indestructible drivetrain and remarkably low maintenance costs. Under the hood, its proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine churns out 200 horsepower, combining responsive performance with impressive fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon city and 35 on the highway. But the RAV4's legendary reputation comes from more than just its durable engine. Owners report driving their vehicles well past 250,000 miles without major issues, thanks to Toyota's meticulous engineering and quality components. Consumer Reports notes especially low rates of common SUV problems like transmission faults, electrical glitches, or costly repairs, making ownership virtually stress-free. Inside, practicality meets comfort, offering spacious seating, straightforward technology, and an impressive 69 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for family trips or outdoor adventures. Toyota's renowned safety systems and high crash test ratings further reinforce the RAV4 as a worry-free, family-friendly choice. Unless you prefer throwing money away on unexpected repairs, the Toyota RAV4 offers unmatched peace of mind at a budget-friendly price. But there's still one SUV left that even Toyota can't beat. It's practically immortal. Number 1, Subaru Forester. When it comes to sheer dependability, the Subaru Forester is practically in a class of its own. Starting at just under $28,000, the Subaru Forester is more than affordable. It's nearly unbreakable. Consumer Reports has repeatedly crowned the Forester as one of the most reliable SUVs you can buy, highlighting its robust engine, impressive build quality, and bulletproof drivetrain. Equipped with Subaru's legendary 2.5-liter boxer engine delivering 180 horsepower, the Forester offers smooth, steady performance with excellent efficiency, achieving up to 26 miles per gallon city and 33 on the highway. But where the Forester truly excels is durability. Its standard all-wheel drive system doesn't just tackle rough terrain, it's proven to outlast even harsh conditions, consistently carrying owners past 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Consumer Reports emphasizes how rarely Forester owners face unexpected repairs, making costly mechanic visits practically non-existent. Inside, the Forester is spacious, comfortable, and remarkably practical. Owners praise its intuitive controls, excellent visibility, generous cargo space of over 75 cubic feet, and advanced safety systems, earning top crash test scores year after year. If reliability is your top priority, the Subaru Forester stands in a league of its own. It's an SUV so durable, you might run out of places to drive before it ever lets you down. Ready to discover more cars built to last? Don't miss top 13 cars that simply never break down. Click right here and skip future headaches and mechanic bills.